Welcome back to the Celtic Farm. This is Master Gardener Steve, and today I'm bringing you another episode of the Ground Up Gardening series. In part 4, we're exploring the surface layer, the dynamic interface between your soil and the world above. Often underestimated, this layer is vital for protecting soil, managing moisture, and creating a thriving environment for your plants. Let's dig in, pun intended, and learn how to make the most of this essential layer. The surface layer is more than just the top of your garden. It's a living shield that plays a key role in protecting and enhancing the soil below. From reducing evaporation to preventing erosion, this layer is where your garden meets the world. Think of the surface layer as your garden's first line of defense. It's where you can directly intervene to support plant health and improve your soil. This layer is made up of several elements that work together to protect your garden. These include organic mulch like shredded leaves or bark, plant debris such as fallen leaves, and living ground covers that can stabilize the soil. Each of these components brings a unique benefit. For example, shredded leaves are a fantastic mulch option that conserves moisture, suppresses weeds, and enriches the soil as they decompose. The surface layer offers numerous benefits. As mentioned, it retains moisture, it regulates soil temperature, suppresses weeds, and prevents erosion. As organic material breaks down, they also add nutrients back into the soil, supporting long-term fertility. By maintaining a healthy surface layer, you're not just protecting your soil, you're investing in your garden's future. To keep the surface layer effective, replenish mulch regularly, use organic materials such as compost, and avoid overmulching, which can smother plants or create pest habits. Always remove diseased plant debris to prevent the spread of pathogens. A little bit of maintenance goes a long way. By giving your surface layer regular attention, you're setting the stage for healthy soil and plants. Beneath the mulch and debris, microorganisms are hard at work. They break down organic matter, releasing nutrients, improving soil structure, and even protecting plants from diseases. This bioactivity is the engine of a thriving garden. Supporting it with organic materials like shredded leaves or compost is one of the best things you can do for healthy layers throughout the ground up method. Common surface layer challenges include compacted mulch, pest harborage, and inconsistent coverage. To address these issues, break up compacted areas, avoid piling mulch against plant stems, and ensure even distribution of your mulch throughout the layer. With a little troubleshooting, you can overcome these challenges and keep your surface layer functioning at its best. Take this layer to the next level by mixing in diverse mulches, planting diverse cover crops, or integrating compost beneath your mulch. These practices enrich your garden while supporting sustainability. Whether you're looking for functionality or aesthetics, there are endless ways to enhance your surface layer and make it work for your garden. The surface layer is where your garden bridges soil and sky. By managing it thoughtfully, you protect your soil, conserve resources, and create a thriving ecosystem throughout all layers for your plants. Join us next time as we continue our journey through the Ground Up series, and happy gardening.